we will find a place where there's so much space, and the pace back east, rustling just to